Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about Amazon CloudSearch. Before we go into Amazon CloudSearch, let me introduce about myself. Myself Mahendran, and I am an AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, and I have also gained badges on AWS Builder Quest Bronze as well as Silver and the other related badges as well. If you want to follow me on LinkedIn, I have given my LinkedIn handle. You can follow me here. Now let's see the agenda. First, we will see what is search engines and what is Amazon Cloud Search and Amazon Cloud Search benefits, features of Amazon Cloud Search, and pricing. And followed by that, we'll building a sample search application using Amazon Cloud Search. Now, let's see what are search engines. Basically, a search engine is a software system that is designed to search for and identifies item in a database that matches a user specific keywords or characters, and also it uses the ranking function to get information about the text search, and also it is used to sort to get the best answer when we do a search. Now see, what is Amazon Cloud Search? So Amazon Cloud Search is a fully managed cloud service that makes it easy to set up, manage, and scale a search solution for our website or application. With Amazon Cloud Search, we can easily search a large collection of data such as web pages, document files, forum posts, or product information. And also, you can quickly add search capabilities without having to become a search expert or worry about hardware provisioning, setup, and maintenance. As your volume of data and traffic fluctuates, Amazon Cloud Search scales it will to meet your needs. These are all the Amazon Cloud Search benefits. Let me explain one by one. With Amazon Cloud Search, we can quickly add the research search capabilities to our website or application. And the first benefit is simple. We can configure and manage an Amazon Cloud Search domain through AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, or AWS SDK. We can simply point to a sample of our data, and Amazon Cloud Search will automatically recommend how to configure our domain index options. And also, we can easily add or delete index fields and customize the search options such as faceting and highlighting as well. Configuration changes do not require you to re-upload your data as well. So these things we will be seeing in a demo as well. And the second benefit is scalable. Amazon Cloud Search offers powerful auto-scaling for all search domains. As your data or query volume changes, Amazon Cloud Search can scale your search domains resources up or down as needed. And also, we can control the scaling if we need to know that more capacity for bulk uploads or you are expecting a surge in your search traffic as well. And the third benefit is reliable. Amazon Cloud Search provides automatic monitoring and recovery for your search domains. When multi-AZ is enabled, Amazon Cloud Search provisions and maintain resource for a search domain in two availability zones so that we will be having an high availability for our search domains. Updates are automatically applied to the search instance in both availability zones, and the search traffic is distributed across both availability zones, and the instances in either zone are capable of handling the full load in the event of a failure. And the next benefit is then high performance. Amazon Cloud Search ensures low latency and high throughput performance even at a large scale through automatic sharding and horizontal and vertical autoscaling. And as I said, it's a fully managed service. It's a fully managed custom search service, and hardware and software provisioning, setup and configuration, software patching, data partitioning, node monitoring, scaling, data durability. These are all handled by AWS itself. And the rich search features. In the upcoming slide, I will be explaining more about the rich search features and what all the features are available in Amazon Cloud Search. And the next benefit is a cost effective one. And basically, the Amazon Cloud Search is designed to be cost effective, and you only paying only for the low hourly rates and only for the resources which we use. And also, Amazon Cloud Search offers low total cost of ownership for your search application compared to operating a search environment on your own. And the last benefit is a secure. Amazon Cloud Search uses strong cryptographic methods to authenticate users and prevent unauthorized access to your domains. Amazon Cloud Search supports HTTPS, and also we can integrate with IAM to control access to the Cloud Search configuration service and each domain's document, search, and suggest services. Now, let's see the features of Amazon Cloud Search. The first one is like free text, Boolean, and faceted search. And the second one is an autocomplete suggestion. It will be providing suggestion based on our data, and customized relevance ranking and query time rank expressions and field weighting. And also we can do geospatial search, highlighting, and this Amazon Cloud Search domain is supported for 34 languages as well. Now let's see the pricing. As I said, only we'll be paying for what we use, and there is no setup fee or upfront commitment to start using Amazon Cloud Search. And most of the cost of a typical domain comes from using the search instance. All source documents and domain updates are stored in the background on Amazon S3 for durability and data retrieval, but customer get it for free, and which is a significant savings compared to the infrastructure of self-directed research. Now, let's go into a demo on building a sample search application using Amazon Cloud Search domain. In this demo, we are going to build a sample search application using Amazon Cloud Search. So as I already logged into my AWS console, in the search bar, you can give Cloud Search to go for the Amazon Cloud Search service, which is a managed search service. Once you are into the Amazon Cloud Search window, you can able to see to create a new search domain. So I'm clicking on to create a new search domain. So you can give a name. So for example, I am giving the search domain name as search-app. And here you can see to prepare your domain for a large volume of data or traffic. So based upon your data or traffic, you can configure your instance type and the replication count as well. So here you can see here, we can easily pre-configure our domain with additional resources based on our volume of data. And also we can give the replication count based on the volume of our traffic. And Cloud Search will automatically scale our domain up and down based on our volume of data and traffic, but not below the desired instance type and replication count. So if I click on desired instance type, you can see multiple instance types are available. So as this is a demo, I'm selecting as search.small as a desired instance type, and the replication count, I'm going to give it as 1. But depend on your volume of data and traffic, you can change it accordingly. And also the search domain name, there are some restrictions. The name should be start with a letter or a number and should be at least 3 and no more than 28 characters long. And then the allowed characters are A to Z, 0 to 9, and hyphen. I am just clicking on continue. And here you can see how do you want to configure our index fields. So there are like multiple options are there to configure our index fields. Like it can be analyzed from our local machine if we have our data in our local machine, or otherwise if you are having your objects in Amazon S3, you can give the S3 path to get it, or otherwise if you are having an Amazon DynamoDB, from your DynamoDB you can easily import it, or if you are want to use an predefined configuration, that is also possible. So here you can see these are all the predefined configuration that Amazon itself they are giving it, like Adobe PDF files, HTML files, IMDb movies, Microsoft Office files, or otherwise you can also configure manually as well. But now what I'm going to do is I'm already having the sample file in my local machine, so I'm just going to upload it from my local machine. So this is my data, which is saved in JSON format. And here, if you see here, these are all the supported format of the files which you are going to upload. So it can be JSON or XML or CSV or TXT format. So I have uploaded that the file in JSON format. So it has been successfully accepted. Now I am just going on to click on continue. So it will be retrieving the documents and it will be showing the index configuration, like it will be showing like what are all the index are available inside the file. Here you can see actors, directors, generals. So these are all the index field configurations are available inside the data. So Amazon Cloud Search will automatically suggest the index configuration as well. So here you can easily update the resources accordingly. So for now, I'm not modifying any of the things. I'm just keeping as a default and I'm clicking on continue. So here you can see here, we can authorize or block IP address, or even we can add one or more access policy rules. And here you can see how to set our policy. So basically the search domain which you are configuring it, right? So you should be denying access to all the services. You can choose this option. If you choose this option, automatically the policy will be getting populated here. And if I click on this one, it will be throwing some exceptions. Why? Because as I've already selected this policy, we need to give the IP addresses which are need to be allowed. So here, which I have selected is allow access to all services from specific IPs, right? So here I need to give the IP ranges, or otherwise this particular search domain, it needs to be open to access to all service, but this is not recommended. Why? Because if you are selecting these services, this particular policy, from anyone can upload the document into your search domain. And the first one is the search and suggested service, allow all document service account owners only, they can able to uh, do the recommendations. So I'm just going to give allow open access to all services for a demo purpose, but it is not recommended to give full access, because anyone would have the permission to search or upload document to your domain. So based upon your policies, you can configure it. So for now, I'm just giving all. Here you can see it, right? Effect as allow, and the principal is AWS, and I'm giving a star. So which means like it can access all the services, and the action is cloud search. I'm clicking on continue. So here it will be showing like the overview of the all the settings which we have selected. So once you have confirmed, can click on confirm here. So here what will be happening is it will be initializing your domain, and here you can see we have created successfully the domain called search-app, and basically it will take approximately 10 minutes to initialize. Once the domain is initialized, we can upload documents and make any other changes to our domain. So I'm just clicking on OK. So basically it will go into some certain stages. So first stage is like it will be showing us loading, right? After loading, it will take around like 15 to 25 minutes to change the domain status to active. So now let's wait for some more time so that our search app domain will become an active status. Basically it will also go into processing stage, so don't no need to panic on that. So what does that mean is like on that particular stage, right, you will be getting a search endpoint. So from the search endpoint we can easily upload the documents, or we can easily pass the JSON document files, or anything we can do it with the search endpoint URL. So in the meantime, we can explore the options which are available in here. You can see still it is been loading. Let it be. It will take like more approximately 10 to 15 minutes. So here you can see as you know all the resources it can be easily tagged. So here you can easily give a tag for this particular search domain as well. And this is to do analysis scheme. So basically this will control how the content of text fields are processed during indexing, which includes how stemming is performed and what stop words are applied or what synonyms are indexed, or those things we can perform in here. And here we can give an expressions like or numeric expression that are based on the data which in our index, right? We can easily evaluate at the search time. And basically this is for suggesters or based on the contents of a particular text field. So based on that we can request suggestion for a search string, and the string it will be used as a prefix. And here as I said, the scaling options, right? Here you can change the instance type or the replication count as well. So currently here it says it is being processing. So here you can see it, right? Cloud search will still automatically scale your domain up and down based upon your volume of data and traffic, but it will not go below the desired instance type and partition count and replication count. So you need to make a note of this particular point. And if the multi-AZ option is enabled, these value control the resources used per availability zone. And these are all the index fields that are available where I have uploaded the data, right? So on the data, so these are all the index fields are available. Here you can, if you want to add new index field, that is also possible. And here, if you want to turn HTTPS to block all incoming HTTP requests, that is also possible. You can easily turn HTTPS on. And here, as I said, right, the multi-AC options will it will be maintain extra instance for a search domain in a second availability zone, so that your domain will be having high availability. So in the event of a service disruption in one availability zone, all traffic will be automatically get routed to the search instance in the other availability zone. So here you can see as an important note, which means like if you are enabling a multi-AZ option, so it will be doubling the number of search instance used to run your domain, which will significantly increase the cost of running a domain as well. So if you want to have high availability, then you can enable multi-AZ on. And this is the access policy. So here you can control the access policies like who need to authorize the domain which you have created. So accordingly you can customize the policy as well. And if you are creating multiple domains, so from here this is a cloud search dashboard. Here you can easily have a look on like what are all the search domains which you have created. It will be getting listed out here. And if you want to learn more about Amazon Cloud Search, you can click on documentations or FAQs to know more about Amazon Cloud Search. Here you can see once the status become active, we can start to search kind of sample data and all. Here you can see now it is in processing. So processing means will be getting a search endpoint. Here you can see it, right? Our search endpoint, yeah, it has been created. It's a sample search endpoint. So the next stage will be it will be going to active stage. So this is a new console. That is why you are seeing in a different view. Here you can see upload documents, run indexing, compare expressions, and even we can do a run test search as well. Now you can see the status become active, and also you got all the required status become active. Here you can see the scaling options, HTTPS option, availability options, all the status becomes active. Now what we are going to do is we are going to upload a sample JSON data. Here you can give upload document, the same thing which you are before seen, right? I'm choosing the file and I'm giving open. It will upload our document. So it will be checking the configurations are is it correct or not. So if it is not correct, then it will get failed. So make sure you are uploading in a correct format and it is of having these formats only: JSON, CSV, or .txt. So here you can see the document upload may be rejected, or if needed, go to indexing option and change your configuration. So you can click on previous. So as I made some changes, still it is been throwing an error. So I will make a modification on that. So for now, I am using the sample data, which was already been provided by Amazon Cloud Search. So under the sample data, I'm selecting IMDb movies. I am clicking on next. So it will be checking the configuration. And here you can see it uploads 5,000 documents containing these following fields, and I am going to upload this particular document in the search have fun app domain. So here you can see it has been status has been success, and it has been added 5,000 entries. You can give one close, and now what we are going to do is we can do a kind of a test search how this particular document is getting searched, right? We as we have uploaded 5,000 entries, so here you can give run a test search in the uh, in the query, and also there is a suggested field. So here what I'm going to give is I'm just going to give Harry Potter. So I'm going to click on run. So here you can see based upon the Harry Potter query which I have given, it have searched to it and it have shown me these entries that are available in the document. Right here you can see Harry Potter, and if I expand this any one of the document, here you can see Harry Potter field is available, and here also the title is Harry Potter. Now instead of Harry Potter, I can give a comedy. And even if you want to more filter, if you want to do, then that is also possible. I am just given as comedy, and in the sort you can give that what kind of index, right? So I want to search only on the title, right? Okay, so I am just giving on title, so it will be sort by the title, and I am just clicking on go. Now this particular search will list all the comedy movies and series available in the file based on the comedy keyword. Here you can see it, right? The comedy keyword. So here we have came in here and we have done a run a test search. Now we can use the search endpoint as well. You can copy this particular search endpoint, and I'm just opening in another browser. And after the search endpoint, you need to give a query, right? So I'm just having a query. So here, what this particular thing is doing is like as we are done run a test search, right? So there we are giving the Harry Potter name, and it should be returning all the fields. So I'm just giving this particular query after the search endpoint. Now, when I click on it, so it will be listing down all the Harry Potter which is having inside the document. So this is actually a JSON format. You can easily do the more filtering option, and so that we can easily get it. Or otherwise, if you are having any search endpoint which is configured in your website or something, it will be listing down accordingly. So you can easily use this particular search endpoint in your application to create your search engine in a customized format. Now, this is how you can create a sample search application using Amazon Cloud Search. Now, how to delete the Amazon Cloud Search is as simple as that. Here you can see it. Uh, if you want to delete this particular domain, you can easily go on here and you can click on delete, and you can give the domain name search hyphen app, and you can delete it. Now it will be moving to the status as deleted. Here you can see the status will become deleted, and it will take a few minutes to delete it to go from the console. So in this demo, we have created a search domain and we have uploaded a sample JSON data, and from that we have successfully tested the search application. Thank you for watching this video.